Yeah, hi friends, my name is Chandan and welcome back to my channel Energy and Environment Education. Friends, this is chapter 2.3 Steam system and this is a part E of this chapter. A, B, C, D already have made videos on and have uploaded the videos in my channel Energy and Environment Education, and all those parts are equally important as this part is. So I'm going to discuss again another topic on this part E of the video, friends, and those aspirants who are looking forward to take exam this year for Energy Auditor exam or Energy Manager exam, these videos are going to really help them out as I feel, and hopefully you have gone through the other videos that I've posted on this channel. If not yet, friend, please go through the videos and you'll find really easy to understand the topics that I've dealt with, different important questions I also have discussed in different videos from different chapters in the channel, friends. So please go through the videos that I posted in this channel. Also, please do subscribe my channel if not yet, friends. This will motivate me to prepare more such videos in coming days. And also, I'm not going to only prepare videos on this, energy manager exam or energy auditor exam. Also, I'm going to prepare on different topics which will be really useful for you, uh, career growth, or you can say when if you want to switch career in energy domain or environment domain. Those videos will also help you out, friends. So please do subscribe my channel if not yet, and let's start the video today of part E, chapter 2.3 Steam system, friends. So let's the content first today, friends. Installation steam traps will be the content for today's video, and already I have discussed about the steam traps in the earlier video. Also, I have discussed about the steam properties and how the steams are used in different areas and different processes. Those things I have discussed in different videos that I have made. You can go through the videos if not yet. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about the installation of steam traps, which is also equally important for your understanding and also it's important for the examination point of view, friends. So this is the content that is going to be discussed in this particular video, friends. So as far as the installation of steam traps is concerned, you need to understand one important point here. That is, in most cases, trapping problems are caused by bad installation rather than by the choice of wrong type or faulty manufacturer. See, one thing is you must understand, if you have a wrong type of trap installed, that will be really a problem for you. Also, if there is some technical problem with the manufacturing problem is there with the steam trap, that is also a concern for you. But more important is that the bad installation. So that's what here it means to be explained here, that not only the wrong type of choice and also the faulty manufacturer is a concern for us. Most important concern is the bad installation. So you need to understand why the bad installation is a concern and how it has to be tackled, friends. To ensure a trouble-free installation, careful consideration should be given to the drain point. Now these are the different points, or you can say areas, that has to be considered when you install any steam trap in any uh, steam line, friends. So basically the drain point, pipe sizing, air venting, steam blocking, group trapping versus individual trapping, dirt, water hammering, lifting of the condensate, etc. These are the key points or the areas you can consider while you install any steam trap inside in the steam line, friends. So these are the points which I'm going to explain you in coming slide also, and for your better understanding, and also they may ask in the exam to list out some of the points or the areas or that has to be considered while installation of the steam trap, friends. Now this is the first area of concern when you install any steam trap. So when you design the steam line, you have to keep in mind the drain point. The drain point should be so arranged that the condensate can easily flow into the trap. Now just imagine if there is the steam drain point is there, but there is no flow of condensate into the trap, then the steam trap is not meeting its need. I mean the requirement is not fulfilled, friends. So you have to design the drain point in such a way that the condenser can easily flow into the trap. So you can see here there are two figures given. This is the wrong way of draining, you can say, and this is the correct way of draining, friends. So when you are asked to explain why this is important to have a proper draining point, then you can list it out, friends. This particular part which is explained here in the chapter, friends. So this is very much important as far as exam is concerned, and this is the first type of problem, you can say, when you design the steam line, also when you install any steam trap, friends. This is an area of concern. Now here are a few other points that has been discussed which you must remember, and you may be asked to explain them in the exam. So basically the pipe sizing is important criteria when you select the when you install the steam traps, friends. Proper pipe sizing, or you can say adequate sizing of the pipe, is an important criteria for the installation of steam traps. Second thing is the air binding. I mean, all the air which is trapped has to be removed either by a steam trap or a separate air vent. So that is also an important criteria when you install any steam trap, friends. You have to look for the air vent, whether the air is properly removed or not, or is there any mechanism to remove the air or not. That has also to be taken care when you install it. Steam locking is another area that has to be also seen, or you can say taken care. This is similar to air binding, except that the trap is locked shut by steam instead of air. The typical example is drying cylinder. It is always advisable to use a float trap provided with a steam lock release arrangement. So basically, steam locking also an arrangement is there which has to be taken care when you install any steam trap in the steam line, friends. So these are some of the areas that you should consider when you basically install the steam traps. The other area of concern is the group trapping versus the individual trapping. Basically, what's happening here in this case, in the case of group trapping, number of units are connected to a single trap. While in the case of individual trapping, each unit is having one single trap, one trap linked with it. So, just to save money, a lot of industries go for a single trap and they try to connect number of units with it. This system is a bit expensive, that can be understood, but compared to this system, this individual trapping system is a better arrangement, you can say, or more efficient arrangement. This part is entirely explained here in this particular part of chapter. You can go through it and you can understand. In the exam they may ask you to briefly explain or differentiate between the group trapping versus individual trapping, and you should be ready enough to explain them in a very simple manner, friends. So this is the difference between the group trapping versus individual trapping, which is also an area of concern when you install any trap inside steam trap in the steam line, friends. Now another area of concern that has to be taken care when you install any steam trap is the dirt. Dirt is the common enemy of steam traps and causes many failures. So basically a lot of steam traps is failed, you can say, due to the presence of dirt in the steam fans. New steam system contains scale, castings, weld, metal, piece of packing, jointing materials, etc. When the system has been in use for a while, the inside of the pipe work fittings which are supposed to cause a condenser can get rusted. So you have to take ultimate care, when you install the steam trap, that there is no dirt in the final steam that is reaching the steam trap, basically, friends. So it is advisable to use a strainer position before the steam trap to prevent dirt from passing into the system. So before the steam with the condensate enters inside the steam trap, that has to be filtered out. Any dirt if it is having has to be filtered out. So it is advisable to use a strainer positioned before the steam trap to prevent dirt from passing into the system, because if there will be dirt, so there will be more chance of the steam trap failure, friends. So this is also an important point for you to understand why dirt is not required, or you can say why you should filter out dirt when you use the steam trap system, friends. Now, water handling is another area of concern when you install any steam trap, friends, and this has to be taken care. Basically, what's happening here, you can see the figure. What happens if you see the condensate level here, it goes on increasing, and ultimately, if it will accumulate here in the steam pipe, and ultimately it will lead to the steam hammering. So basically, what you should do when you install the steam, steam line should be a bit of slope is required here. Problem water hammer can be eliminated by positioning pipe so that there is a continuous slope in the direction of flow. In case of steam mains, a slope of at least 1 meter in every 100 meters is necessary, as an adequate number of drain points every 30 to 50 meters. So when you install the pipeline, that has to be taken care that there is some slope with it. Otherwise, what will happen? This condensate will keep on increasing. If there will be no slope, like say if you see this pipe, there is no slope, there is no bending here. So what happens? Slowly and slowly, the condensate will keep on increasing here. As a water hammering system is caused by the condensate collection in the plant or pipe wall picked up by the fast moving steam and carried along with it. So if the condensate will keep on increasing here and steam comes it, the condensate will also flow with it, and slowly if any bend is there, any bending is there in the pipe, there you can see when this collection hits obstruction, such as bends, valves, steam traps, or some other pipe fittings, it is likely to cause severe damage to fittings. This condensate will cause severe damage to the fittings and equipment and result in leaking pipe joints. So these are the reasons why the lot of failures happens with the equipment, with the valves, or you can say also with the steam traps. So when you install the steam traps, before installing you should keep in mind that the steam line that has been designed has some slopes, and slope of at least 1 meter in every 100 meters is necessary for that. So this is also very much important to just avoid the water hammering problem, friends. So water hammering is an important technical word that you should remember. They may ask you individually also in the exam, what do you mean by water hammering, and how can you prevent the water hammering, and what is the impact of water hammering, friends. These type of questions you can consider for the examination point of view. Now, lifting the condensate is also a concern when you design the, or you can say when you install the steam traps. You should keep in mind that if there is requirement of lifting the condensate, so in that case proper arrangement should be there. It is sometimes necessary to lift the condensate from a steam trap to a higher level condensate return line. So in that case, what happens? You need to have proper arrangement. Condensate will rise up the lifting pipe work when the steam pressure upstream of the trap is higher than the pressure downstream of the trap. So you need to have proper arrangement to lift the condensate. Otherwise, it will create problem. Like suppose if the condensate has to be lifted up to a higher level of condensate return line, but if you do not have a proper arrangement for that, in that case you will have sure short uh, uh, you have problem in the steam trap, and sure shot the steam trap will get damaged soon, friends. So this is also an area of concern when you design the entire system, steam line system, and also when you install the steam trap, friends. Now this table is also an important part that you should understand, like the selection of steam trap, which type of trap should be selected and for different processes. So this is a table where you will understand which type of steam traps are required for which type of process application, friends. So you need not, I'm not going to explain you everything in detail here. It's already explained for which type of application, which type of features are required, and which type of traps are suitable for that. So this is the table that you should understand, and also important for your exam, friends, where they may ask you to briefly explain different types of traps which are required as per the application, friends. So with this, I'm ending the part E of this chapter, friends. I'll continue with the part F, and in this part, I have explained you. I hope you must have understood about the steam trap installation and the different areas of concern that you should keep in mind when you install the steam trap. So this is also important for the examination point of view, and also for your common understanding as per the concept is required, friends. This part is equally important. And part F, I'm also going to explain you in coming video that I'm going to make and post in coming days, friends. So please be connected with me, because these videos are also going to be equally important as this video is. And also please do go through the other videos that I have posted in this channel. If you have missed it out, I have made videos on different chapters which may be also useful for your understanding, for your exam, friends. And last not the least, friends, before I wind up, this is my YouTube channel, friends. Please do subscribe the channel, and this will motivate me to prepare more such videos in coming days. And I'm going to post a lot of videos on not only on this, on energy auditor or energy manager exam. I'm also going to prepare a lot of videos in other subjects, basically which is useful for you if you want to switch to this energy domain, or you can say energy sector or environment sector, friends. So please be connected with me, because I'm going to post number of different type of videos which may help you to not only prepare for your exam, also for your better understanding and your career growth, friends. So stay connected with me. Do subscribe my channel, friends. This will motivate me to prepare more such videos in coming days and keep you posted, keep you informed, and keep you updated, friends. Also, please press the bell icon such that you get the instant notification as soon as I post a new video in coming days, friends. This is my email ID, and this is my WhatsApp number. So you can connect with me if you have any queries, if you have any doubts. You can straight away call me up, friends. And also you can write down any inputs, any feedbacks if you have on my email ID, friends. So that's all for today. We'll meet in a new video in coming days, which I'm going to post to this channel, friends. So that's all, and have a nice day. Stay safe, friends.